So I'll be going through the menu service in the point of sale system. So in order to go that, we can select option number 1, where we can view all the sub-menus that are available in the menu list. So first, let's start with view menu. So this one will be the existing menu list that is configured in the system. So right now I will show you how to add a new menu item. So we can enter the name, description, price, and which category is parked under. So it will show that this menu item has been added successfully. So when we view the menu item again, we can see that this item has been added successfully. Can also edit it. So we selected pudding to be edited. Can save the description and update the price, and then select which category is parked under. So right now it will say that this item has been successfully edited. So when we view the menu again, we can see that the pudding item is now parked under the main course, and all the items are updated successfully. So right now let me go through the promotion menu. So this one is the current promotion menu, and we can also add a new promotion value by selecting option number 6. It can add the promotion name, description, and the price. Then can select which items to be added in the promotion. So right now you can see that the promotion item has been updated. So we can view the promotion item. So we can also delete the promotion item by selecting option number 8, where we can select the promotion item that we wish to delete, and if ask for confirmation, we will select yes, and this item will be deleted. So when we go back to promotion menu, it's no longer there. Yep. So for the categories, is actually the categories that are used to organize the main menu. So I will not go through that. So but feel free to explore it.
To explore the second function of this point of sale system, which is the order function. So we will select service tool. You will be able to create a new order. You can enter your staff ID, for example, is 2. Do you have membership? Yes. Customer has reservation. We can put no for now. And you will be able to see all the available tables. For example, your customer only have 2 person. Maybe you can assign table 22. And then your customer will order lunch set. Lunch set is added to order 9. Do you want to add another item? No. Order successfully added. So now if we want to view active order, we will be able to see order 009, which is the new order that we just created. Table number 22, number of customer 2, and membership, yes, is member. Payment status is unpaid. Item is lunch set. but we will be only seeing all the active order, which means the order is unpaid. If I choose to view all orders, we will be able to see all the past orders which are paid already. So if I want to add one more item to the order, we can choose order number 9, add another item. For example, I want to add an apple. Apple is added to order 9. Do you want to add another item? No. So we can see now apple is added to order 9. Now I want to remove the apple from order 9. I will need to select this order 9 and remove item 1. Now you can see that apple is removed from order 9.
So we'll start by actually running the application. So we'll have the same interface with what my teammate has presented just now. So what we are going to do now is just to print the invoice. So basically we'll press number 3 to print the invoice. So when we request to print the invoice, actually it will list down all the various active orders that hasn't been paid. So earlier on, for example, you have this various order number 014, 015, 016, 017. So we can specify which order ID that we want to pay. So for example, press 014. Okay. So when you actually press 014, then it will ask whether you want to make a payment. So you just need to type Y for yes or no for N for no. So for example, if I just click no, so then it will ask again, please make a payment to generate the invoice. So the invoice basically can only be printed when we already make the payment. So you need to press any key to continue. So you'll have to like go through the same thing. So for example, you print and press again, print invoice number 3. Then so you have to choose like a number that is stated there. For example, if I choose number 017 or maybe 014. So then it will ask, do you want to make a payment? So I'll just click yes. So then it will show like invoice. Basically the invoice for order 1014 will print it. So the ID here actually specify the date of the invoice, which is like 2011, November 14. Then the timestamp, which is like 1947. Then followed by the ID, which is 14 just now from the order ID. Then because for the order 014 actually is done by a non-member customer. So there won't be any discount given. So the discount will be in $0. So let's give a try. Like for example, if you have another customer that want to make a payment, so go again to print invoice number 3. And you can actually choose like, for example, I'll show like when it is a order made by a paying customer 016. So I just press 016. So then it will ask, do you want to make a payment? I just click yes. So if the customer is actually a paying member, then basically you'll get like a discount. The discount we can like to specify in one of our command, depending on the rate of discount that is given.
We'll be going through the reservation service. So in order to access that, we have to select option number 4, where we can view, add, edit, and cancel reservation. So we can view all the current reservations for the restaurant by selecting option number 1, where it will list down all the reservations based on dates. So we can add a new reservation by selecting the date of the reservation and time, and also the number of people that will be coming, and also the salutation for the guests. And also the phone number for recording purposes, and then the reservation will be made and a table will be assigned to the guests. So when we go back to view the menu again, we can see that our reservation has been made successfully and is parked under reserve. And when we can edit it by selecting option number 3, where we can edit the reservation by selecting this, and then also select the updated reservation date. So in this case it will be, let's say I want to move it a day later, so we can select it like this, and then update the number of packs. Let's say I want to increase the number of packs, and then for the salutation I can change it, and for the name, and then for the phone number too, and then it will say that reservation has been updated successfully. So when we go back to view the reservation again, we can see that the date has been moved and the timing and all the other things has been moved. So we can also edit the reservation by selecting number 4, and then key in the reservation that we wish to be cancelled, and then it will show that this reservation has been cancelled. So when we view the reservation list again, it will be parked under cancelled.
This is a rather simple function that allows the users to check the table's availability. So when I enter 5 in the menu, I will be able to see all the available tables and their capacity. For example, this table 23 is for 2 persons, and this table 105 is for 10 persons. The last feature is to print sales report. If I enter 6, it brings me to this submenu for sales report. And if I want to generate daily report, I will need to select this date. Let's say November 14. I'll be able to see all the items sold for this day and the revenue. If I want to see monthly report, for example, for November, I'll be able to see all the items sold in this month and the total revenue. If I want to see yearly report, for example, this year 2021, the same format here, I'll be able to see the total revenue for 2021 whole year. And that's the end of our program.